Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. We have another special, I do believe, Amazon unboxing. My affiliate link will be down below. You guys could check them out by clicking the link and see what other goodies they have to offer besides this item. And if it's a website, I'll leave the website link. And they are both safe to click. Thank you guys for sending me this for review. And hopefully everyone had a good day. Everybody is safe. What a crazy weekend it has been. And we got Prime Day going on now, so definitely check them out. Prime Day sales are full effect. Ooh, baby. Alright. Oh, this is heavy. Oh. Yeah, it's definitely Amazon, so I'll leave my affiliate link down below. You guys can check them out. This is going to be a CW LED floor lamp. Ooh. Remote control, control touch. I think it is CW. But if not, it's going to be corrected in the bio. In the link. CW, I guess. Ooh. Might have to replace my other one. See how this looks. But yeah, definitely check them out right now. They got the sales going on. So if you're in the market for a new lamps, yeah, this should be a good one. And like I said, all you gotta do is click that link and it'll ship it to you fast. There we go. Alright, we got everything. Oh, we got a manual. Just in case for reference, but hopefully it's easy peasy. Then we could get it in one video. We got the power adapter, standard kind. Nothing too fancy there. Whoa. Now this is fancy. And we got the base at the bottom. Drop that base. Do do do. Do do do. Do 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 do. Oh yeah, got some weight to it. That's why it was heavy. Oh. Bam. Wham, bam, thank you, ma'am. Here we go. CW. Kind of like that network CW. But almost there, guys. Trying to do it with one hand. Comes with the remote control. There we go. Let me fold this up. There we go. CW. And we're going to take the power off first, because we're going to need that. Like I said, I got one in this room, but if this one's better, I am definitely switching. I had this lamp for a few years now, so. But this one looks a lot cooler and more futuristic, you know? And that's what I like, more futuristic things. We are living in those times now. Crazy times, that's for sure. I got a standard remote right here. L1, L2, L3. Must be the bulb numbers. CCT, brightness. 1 hour, you could set the timer. Has a nice little feel to it. Standard AAA, so make sure you got some AAAs. Amazon makes some really good AAA batteries that last a while, so, and they're pretty affordable. There we go. Take a look at this. Look at that. It does kind of look futuristic, like a UFO ship. So you get 3 different ones. I think this is like not the RGB, but the white and like tan color, I guess. I don't know what color. Kind of like this color. Whatever that color is, yellowish. Maybe tan. I don't know. But here we go. Almost there. Got to cut the base off. And then plug it in. Then we'll have some lightage. But and they got a lot of good deals going on now with Prime Day, so definitely check them out. And you'll be happy. See, this is like a standard. You just got to put these together and connect it to the base. I'll put this to the side, the power adapter off to the side for now because we don't need it until the end. And here we go, we got the base, and I'll put the control or the batteries. See, put the end right there, you screw it in. Here's what the bottom looks like. You can hide the cord in there. So this is gonna be easy one to install. Just remember also Christmas is coming, guys. Might as well stock up now with the Prime Day sales and take advantage. A few months away goes fast, you know, especially now. Days are going by super fast. Oh, they got it taped. Yeah, see, they got it taped right in there. See where my finger is? So, just to let you guys know, it is protected. There we go. Now I could remove this plastic somehow. Okay, hold on. Alright guys, now we got them all unwrapped. So you just connect these to that part, the silver, and bada boom, bada bing. Put it on that thing. And here are the controls for the front, in case you lose your remote. Pretty cool. That's different though. It's nicely flush mounted right into it. Really nice job though. Alright, so now we just gotta, this will be the top. Just make sure you, oh, there goes everything. Alright. Oh, but okay guys, the wire, you gotta tuck it in, and then you're gonna screw it together, and it'll look like something like this. See, really nice. Everything is good. Alright guys, it kind of look like you're fishing. You're gonna have it all the way at the end, the wire's sticking out. I do believe the best part would be to shove this down the hole and then run it through the other side. If it fits, maybe not. Oh, maybe not. Okay. I just hope I don't hit the ceiling. Alright, I'm gonna drop that base on the ground because it might hit the ceiling. Alright guys, we are all the way up to the top. These are super bright, guys. Really impressed. Watch this. I have my house lights on too. Bam! Look at that. Look how clear it looks too. Throw it up. See, that's that yellow. My God. That is super bright. You can see. I'm going to show you with the lights off. It's still daytime out, so hold on. Here we go. We got the all lights off, and look at that. Yeah, definitely this might be my replacement, saying goodbye to this thing, and have this one up right there. And there's that white balance. Page reading, book reading. Okay. See, that's, I guess, a book reading light. Level 1. Oh, you can shut that off. You can have one. Even with one is really bright. Have all three off. 1, 2, 3. Awesome. So easy peasy to install. No issues. Took me a few minutes. And no issues with the remote. Works great. Nice bright light for your bedroom, office, wherever you need light at. Great for college dorms. You know, college is coming up. You're going to need something. Might as well get this one from CW. Link is in the bio or in the description. Prime Day sales going on now. You guys be safe. Have a good weekend and see ya soon. Lights off. Almost forgot. The main part is that you could take these and swivel. Have it down. Have this one up. up, sideways, turn it. So you can have it any old which way. And it's pretty important to let you guys know that does that. So you get light everywhere. Here we go. Alright, YouTubers. You guys be safe. Have a good weekend. And good night.